Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will explain you how can you download Telegram on desktop. So for downloading it, click on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it, and into the Microsoft Store search here Telegram, and here you can see Telegram desktop. Click on install and this will install in your computer, so let it be. Just wait. So as you can see, the Telegram desktop has been installed. Now click on open. Now just wait. So now click on start messaging, and now you can open this Telegram into your desktop from your phone device, or you can say smartphone. If you don't know how to open it, you can see the instructions here. And if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.